Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide personal level indicators in Gmail on your PC. If you prefer not to see personal level indicators next to your emails, follow these easy steps to remove them from your Gmail interface. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, locate the Personal Level Indicators section. Step 5. Next to Personal Level Indicators, click on No Indicators to hide them. By hiding personal level indicators, you can enhance your privacy and maintain a cleaner Gmail interface without any unnecessary visual cues. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your Gmail experience.